My name is Cliff Stone. I am the Vice President of Product Sustainment at General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. So General Atomics is the world's leading designer and manufacturer of medium altitude, long endurance, remotely piloted aircraft or drones. We have both domestic and international customers. The U.S. Air Force is a big customer, the U.S. Army is a big customer, but also we have international customers, and that's the growing market. We brought to LiveWorx a 1/6 scale model of our most advanced product, which is called the Sky Guardian. The Sky Guardian is a large aircraft. It's 80-foot wingspan, 12,000-pound takeoff weight, but what's really remarkable about Sky Guardian is it can fly for in excess of 40 hours unrefueled. And during that time, it's providing actionable intelligence to customers on the ground, be it a military customer engaged in conflict or a commercial customer, for example, monitoring natural disaster recovery. So General Atomics has teamed up with PTC for this year's LiveWorx show, and we've put together an augmented reality demonstration. And it's a bit of a peek into the future of operations and maintenance of a product like this. Today, certainly we use advanced tools and processes to design and manufacture and operate and maintain these products. What we're demonstrating here is if we digitize and connect some of those tools and processes, how you could have a more effective operation out in the field. The demonstration that we put together with PTC essentially models a small fleet of 4 aircraft, and through a single process it identifies aircraft that needs inspection or servicing, and then it walks you around the processes, and it even lets you phone home for technical support should you need it. Today that would take hours, if not days. We can do it real time with this technology.
As the technician, I can go through and click off my steps, or if I want more detail, I can expand that to get more detailed instructions. Similarly, use that as a checklist to complete that inspection. You can see here we've augmented on some things like the landing gear. And here if we move to step 2, we get a different grouping of inspection points, some antennas, the fuel caps, and we can check some of those off. And so this is going to create an audit trail of the work that's performed. It's going to record that via ThingWorx, so I can track how long work took and things like that. So when we come out to the next step, we're inspecting the wing surfaces. And on the wing surfaces, we notice that we have a bird strike. And so we're concerned about that and its relative location and whether it'll affect the operation of the aircraft. And so I'm actually going to call an on-call engineer to ask them about that. So I'm going to use Vuforia Chalk to do that. And I want to visually show him what's going on so that we can determine whether to put this plane back in flight. Hello, Jeff.
Hey, Dan, how are you?
Good. Yeah, I have a question about a bird strike I saw out on the wing here.
Okay, I see on the chalk call. Looks like a bit on the leading edge. What's your concern?
Yeah, I'm kind of curious about this bird strike here.
The front one, right on the leading edge?
Yeah, there you go. And I was curious about the distance out to the, whether there's any issue between the root of the wing and out to the bird strike.
Okay, so I see what you're concerned with, and based on what I've seen historically and the fact that there's no positive limits, it looks like it's good limits. So you're good to go.
Great, thank you very much.
All right.
And our chalk session with the service engineer is recorded, giving me an audit trail of of our discussion.
So one of the important parameters for our customers is cost. And so this adds operational efficiency, which reduces cost. So it makes the operations and maintenance of our products more affordable for the customer. This is the first time that we're showing this kind of an augmented reality demonstration in public. We are beginning to look at augmented reality as a training aid. but it is not yet available.